Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hopefully, you all are doing very well with your vacations, your social media, and your educational level. As we have already made many videos for you, and hopefully, you have watched all of them to learn that how to make your phone settings, make your Android phone settings, or make your iPhone settings according to your needs or according to your ease. So if you don't have watched them, then you are not going to be got great benefit from them. So you have to watch them, and you have to subscribe our channel to get more videos with easiest ways to make settings in your phone. As we have already made many videos on simple notes for you, and now we are going to tell you more about it, that which are the new updations, which are the new settings to this app, and you can use those updates more easily, more precisely, and the app is going to work more efficiently. So we will give you a review of previous video in this video, so you can easily learn that which was the previous video, or to get the overview that you are going to make that updated setting in that thing. First of all, we are in the notes, that are the basic, that is a basic app of iPhone. If you have an Android phone, and if your model don't have such app, then you can go to App Store or Play Store and install that app. After that, you have to open it just like I am in the notes app, and most beneficial thing is that it is an offline app, and you have no internet access, no need of any internet connection to use it. First of all, we are going to give you an overview, and that overview is how to edit notes. Here you can see on the screen that which notes I have ever made are here as a list. And now you have to go to the right bottom very corner, and here we can edit our notes. Bold letters, they are the heading, and further you can take it as a list like this. And when it is back here, so you can also choose different format styles here. If you want your content in bold language, then the first is bold, which means B. Click over here. Second is italic, and it means that it will be in italic style. Third one is underline, your text will be underlined. And fourth one is the cross cut, so it means that your content will be cross cut, as in WhatsApp statuses we often do. So that is the main settings of the body. When it comes to subheading, there is different setting. When it comes to heading, there are different settings. When it comes to title, that there's different, so you can adjust your settings for each of them. Title is always bold, so we have adjusted it as bold. Below that, there is mark line, like you can, if you want to make a list by dot, then like this. If you want to make it by slash, then do this. Third one is by numbering 1 to 3. If you want to make your text in the middle or at the end of the screen to make a paragraph specially, then you can do this. We are taking it back to its position. Cross the format, as we have told you almost all about it, and many options we have told you in our previous videos, so we are not going to explain that in this video. Now it's come to the main thing, to the main updated thing, which that was the motive of today's video, which is actually you have to go at the third option, that is doodling. You can see here, whenever we doodle, like this option was not here before, I have made a circle, I have drawn a rectangle, so you can see how much bad it is. Even if I am going to make it carefully, then it couldn't be so much clear or so much precise. So whenever it comes to raise it, then you have to go to the fourth pencil here, again touch it. Pixel raiser means that you have to raise by your own touch, and whenever it comes to object raiser, you will touch the doodled object and it will be itself raised. So now, which is the updating setting? If you have chosen a marker and you have to draw a circle, then just draw it, and whenever you end it, take a pause here. You can see how much beautifully there is drawn a beautiful circle, a very much clear shape of circle. Similarly, whenever you are going to draw a rectangle, then draw it, and when you have ended it, then just carry on it. Just see how much beautifully it is done. So these shapes are going to be very easily choose. You can also choose the color scheme here, color theme from light to dark, and you can also choose the pencil bold or thin thick. I have made choose the very much thick one now, so I am going to draw another circle in here, and it is also made like this, another rectangle in here, and you can see it is also in its clear shape. So you can see that is the main thing, because whenever we are going to doodle a shape or to make something, you can also write here something, and it would be best writing, like if you are going to write R here, then it is going to be very beautifully changed. And simply you can see on the screen that is a very simple way to write R, and it is how much irregular. By the process we have told you, you can make it in the process, in the clear thing, in the very regular way as alphabets are. So whenever you have done with notes, click on the done button and your notes are saved here. We have told you many processes about it in other videos. Go and watch them, and you are going to get big knowledge or deep knowledge about this app. So whenever it comes to delete the app, not app but that note in the app, so just press it, have a long click over it, and there are many options like pin note, lock note, share note, send a copy, move, and delete. We have to concern with delete button, and by mere one touch it is deleted from here. So go back and your notes would be saved there, or if you have deleted, then it is clear here. Hopefully you have watched the video focusedly and carefully, and you are going to try it, and then tell us, give us your reviews, that which things you have got made according to your needs by that updated process in the notes app.